Today what we're going to be creating is a biscuit joint. So you create sketch, click here, 2-point rectangle. I'm going to make this one 100 by 140. And that's all there. Finish sketch. And so we extrude it by 19. So it's a 3D object. And so what we're going to do first is create the biscuit hole. Create sketch. And I'm going to put a biscuit hole here somewhere. Pressing your new construction lines, because I want to find the center. I'm about 25 mils in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 4 mils up, because it's going to be 8 mils thick. Making sure this construction line's wrong. 4 down. Okay, I'm going to go to my 2-point rectangle, turn the construction lines off. And it's going to be about 20 mils wide, so 8 by 20. It's going to be 8 and 20. Then you choose my fillet tool. I'm going to fillet these edges here, these corners. Just going to be 1 mil. Now, one mil. You can see, and that's my job right there. Finish my sketch off. Okay. And I'm going to extrude this one minus 20. Going to go internally. So as you can see, that's where our biscuit's going to go. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to save this one as biscuit joint part 1, making sure it's in types of joints. I'm going to open another one. Create sketch on the bottom, and I'm going to create a biscuit now. It's going to be 40 mils long, because 20 goes into each piece of material. It's going to be 20 mils wide. And I'm going to extrude this, finish sketch. I'm going to extrude it up by 8 mils. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fillet these edges to match the job. What I can do, I can collect all the edges of my job, holding shift, remember, 1 mil, and that's going to be the same as our job. I'm going to save as biscuit joint part 2, enter. Now I'm just going to create another piece for my biscuit joint to move into. So I'm going to do create sketch, bottom layer, 2-point rectangle. Okay, this time it's going to be 90 by 200. Okay, to simulate a rail. And we're going to extrude this up by 19. I want to join it on this edge, but I need to do, before I can do that, I need to figure out how, or remember how far I went from that edge there. So I'm going to go inspect, from there to there, it's 25 mils. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to start from this edge. This is where I'm doing it. Line tool, construction lines are on. I'm in the center, so 25 in, and go enter. Then what I did before, I did my line up and line down. So 4 mils up, 4 mils down, 2-point rectangle, turn the construction lines off, it's going to be 8 mils by 20 mils. Finish sketch. Wait, we need to do our fillet tool. One there. One there. If you hold shift and go on to the next axis, next line, it'll do it very easily for you. Now we finish our sketch. We're going to extrude this one. It's going to be minus 20 again. Goes into the hole like so. Save this as biscuit joint part 3. Open up a new design. Save this one as completed biscuit joint. And open up my show panel. And I'm going to get part 1 first. I'm going to insert it into my job. That looks fine. We go enter, right click, ground. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to insert the biscuit to the job. And the biscuit's going to be a bit hard to match up, but just going to maneuver it. I'm going to maneuver it around this way. Very similar to the job. Enter. And what I want to do is, I'm just going to close that so I get a bit more room. I want to touch this end, like so, orbit around, and I want to get the internal, exit, and hold shift, so I've got the back, join, and it sits in there nicely, as you can see. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open that panel up again, biscuit joint part 3. So in this one, it is crucial that you line it up properly so it sits flush. Now what we need to do, we're going to bring this out. It is 90. Okay, and we want this side over here. So I'm just going to flip it. And double check it's all good. Yep. Enter. And this one's a pretty easy line up. Just going to line these 2 edges. And we will join like so. And that is how you do your biscuit joint. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with our hidden edges. So that's what it looks like with all our hidden edges in there. Fits nice and smoothly, and we're going to save that.